Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the volume of the video on the Filmmaker Pro application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So just open a video. And if you want to set the volume, just go to the lower side of the screen. You can find the mute all button. If you want to mute the video, click that. And if you want to set, just click to the movie line, and here you can find the volume button. Sorry, and you can find the percentage line, and just drag the line and you can set the volume of that. And if you finish, click to the OK button at the lower right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.